Okay, what I got here right now is a 20-ton bottle jack to use with the press, to use with that homemade press over there. So let's open the box and see what we got inside. We got this, we got the jack, and just some papers, a instruction manual. Alright, so this is a 20-ton VITO jack, and I got here my old 2-ton red jack, and just for you to compare the sizes, so that's 20-ton next to 2-ton, 18-ton difference. So let me see how this works. Pull this out. Let me put the camera on the stand. Okay, here I have it. Comes with this. Remove that and fit it, and this is the lever. Close it, close it. It has this handle. Pick it up. Say 20-ton VITO. Start pumping it. It starts climbing. This part unscrews. How high does this go? Yeah, this is as high as it goes. And then, yeah, that's it. Let me test it on the press. Okay, I got the thing installed on the press, and yeah, it works. It works. A 20-ton bottle jack on the press, and then you open it. As you open, it retracts. Okay.